So beautiful. Can you see that?
Okay.
See in the microscope.
Let's see.
This microscope is awesome.
Okay, when you pack everything up, can you go over the different parts of the microscope with me again?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need help?
Nope, I'm better.
There. Okay, that's done.
Okay.
Now let's close that and tell me a little bit about the parts of the microscope. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, okay, so first, this is the eyepiece.
Mm-hmm.
This whole thing is the eyepiece, and it can also turn.
Mm-hmm.
So
What does the eyepiece do?
it's when you have to take this off and see in the microscope.
So it helps you look, right?
Yeah, it helps you look.
Mm-hmm. That's where your eye sees through.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, move on.
This is the body tube.
Okay.
Second is the body tube
Mm-hmm.
that makes you see down there
Mm-hmm.
and see some things like those ones, the slides.
So it connects to the rest
that
of the
connects
microscope.
to the microscope.
Okay, go on.
Then focusing knob. This is the focusing knob that helps you focus.
Okay.
And now the fourth is the nose piece. This is the nose piece.
Okay.
And fifth, the objectives.
We didn't do that one, hey? It is the objective lenses.
Yeah.
So these are right here are the objective
Yeah,
lenses.
those ones.
Yeah. Okay. Move on.
Oh, we forgot to do that one too. How do
When
we...
you move the nose piece, the objective lenses, they come into action.
Oh.
Right? So we keep it on 30 times because that is what helps us see better.
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
The nose piece connects this to this,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Those ones connect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where's the sixth?
Number 7. Okay.
Sixth, the arm.
Arm. Where's the arm?
This is
That
the
piece.
arm.
Yeah. Okay. Number 7.
Okay. Number 7, lamp top lid for dancing microscope. This is the one.
Ah, there's a little lamp, LED lamp in there. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then number 8.
Number 8, the stage. This is the stage.
Yes, that is the stage. That's where you place the slide. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And 9, this is the brake stopper.
So it stops or breaks up the slide.
So we don't move anything.
Yeah, it's in place.
Yeah.
Keeps in place. Okay.
Brake stopper. And I forgot the stopper. Right. Stage clips.
Where are those?
They're from the stage clips are right here.
Yeah, they hold. The...
Kitty keeps playing with me.
Kitty.
There we go.
Okay. So the stage clips hold the slide.
Yeah,
in
the
place.
slide, like this one.
Okay, go on.
Okay. 11. Lamp bottom LED for light microscope.
LED. That's a bottom LED lamp. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And then 12.
Yep.
There's
This
one
is
right there.
the one.
That's the one. That's correct.
Yeah. And now 12 on off switch. So this is the on and off switch and bottom too.
Yes. It also controls the lights, right? Turns the lights on and off, bottom and top. Okay. Anything else left?
Yep. 13 the base. So this is the base.
Yeah. All of that is the base. Correct. Good job. Alhamdulillah, I think you're quite well acquainted with a microscope and we can do more tomorrow. Good job.
Okay, now let's move on.
Okay. What are we doing next? The number board?
Yeah, because we're on 24.
Yeah, we're doing number 24 today. Okay.
Yeah.